If you often find yourself stuck in a dilemma while making crucial decisions, you're in luck, because I have got a very simple yet effective 3-step formula for you. Step 1. Analyze the situation and identify the worst possible outcome if things don't work out. Step 2. Accept the worst case scenario if you have to. Otherwise, look for alternatives. Step 3. If you are okay with the worst outcome, then get ready to make the best of it and improve from there. I know, it is easier said than done. But it is way better to take a calculated step than to end up regretting a hasty decision or doing nothing at all. So, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching or listening.